Now, if you're doing design, this website will help you to overcome a lot of problems. And one of the big problems usually designers has as a graphic designer, I used to, like, if I wanted a logo from a brand or a company that I can use it for my design, I was like looking on Google to find a different variety, high quality ones, the legal ones, and the ones with the background clean, SVG. It was just a pain, and that's why I come across this website that can help you to find hundreds of logos from different brands, and it can also give you capability to list your own brand also on this website. Let's jump onto the website and see what it does and why it's really cool. So this website is called Brandfitch, and you can literally go to the brandfitch.com. Then after that, you see this screen. It comes up with the brand and these kind of stuff, and we have like a join Brandfitch, sign in, blogs, and like the plugins. Doesn't have pricing because it's free. Yeah, so you can literally go to the search bar and search any business. Let's say I'm gonna go with a YouTuber, MKBHD, Marcus Brownlee. You see, this one comes up. You can download the logo in PNG, in SVG, or JPEG. You can have the brand colors, which is really important if you're doing design and you want to have the color consistency and you don't want to just go download an image from a website and then use the color picker. That's why this one will help you to just avoid those headaches, those worries and these kind of things. And let's search another website. Let's say a brand which is like more established and what you can get from that. So you see here I have got the Adidas logo with the SVGs and different variety of them, and you can also have the colors. And one thing it does, it can also list you the sub brands. Let's say Adidas. Now you see we have the Adidas Wrestling, Adidas without verification, Adidas Group, or Adidas Arena. So literally hundreds of logos here, and you can easily use it. So for a designer, this website can be game changer. And one cool thing it has, if you go to the plugins, there are a lot of softwares that it can support for a plugin, like Figma, people use a lot, like especially designers. Canva, people also use a lot. These kind of things even has a Chrome extension, I think, and Photoshop and these kind of stuff. And you can use it as a plugin to straight add the logos from the software of editing you're using. So yeah, that's very cool. And let's go to the brands. For brands, what does it mean is that you can literally list your brand there. You can put your colors, and someone who wants to use your brand, let's say someone texts you and say, hey, can we use it, like your partners or someone who like doing event like flyer design or something, and they need your logo. Instead of you sending them your file and these kind of stuff, it's better to just tell them, go to the Brandfitch and download the logo. Or if they already know, they don't keep asking you, they just go there and they find your logo, and you don't have to waste that time. So that's really cool, and I really like it. So I will list my brand here, that my clients or my partners, like if you work with businesses and if they want to have your like a logo there, then it's simple and easy and it's free. And for the developers, what do we have? I think for the developers, I'm not really developer guy, but it has like cool things, like I think the APIs or like integrations with different kind of apps. But it's really cool. Yeah, it's a really nice website, and it's like the name is good. So if you have a brand, if you have a personal brand or a company or something, just go and list your brand there, and it's free, and you can have your brand there, like your brand assets. And all the time, even if you want to use by yourself, you don't have to go in a specific folder to find your logo and these kind of things. Just go there and then add your logos. So I will try to list my brand logo there. I don't know why it's not going back. So let's go to the home. Where's that? Brandfitch, which logo div, logo API, brand API, brand search. Oh my god, this is not good. So yeah, let's go to there's a trick. Sometimes if you can't go back, you just go there and clean the rest and keep the domain name. So we are in the home page. Let's say join Brandfitch. It asks me for the email, and then I think you can, there's a way you can go and list your brand without signing in. Like it can show you how you can list it. Again, you go on that for brands. I think I might have to sign in. I don't like to sign in, but let's say, I think there's a way. Yeah, we found it. List your brand, developer and AI. Let's say list your brand, what it has. Again, it asks me for the thing. So I'm gonna put my email, and then so yeah, I've logged in, I've verified my account, and now I'm uploading my logo. I don't know if I have the full brand assets right now with me, but my brand is called Casual Dot. About you, my full name. I do prefer to put my names usually in my business things, and yeah, go to brand space. Do you want to put the SVG logos that they recommended? No, I just want to like show you how you can list it. Yeah, so now I've uploaded my brand, and it says how many percentage of the things lacking, like you don't have SVGs or different varieties or your colors. And yeah, I think it's very cool. Complete the brand profile, organize the libraries. And it means if you go to the libraries, you can access to the colors and like, or the fonts or images that you can add it, and then people can use it. It's good for your brand because it's a good marketing, and also people can see your brand in this website. And invite your team, share your brand. Let's see what it has in share your brand. So you can share it to the different social channels. It means it's marketing for them. The people can come straight from your link to the brand page. And organize libraries, complete your brand profile. It says stay on the brand across the internet. Any updates here will sync your brand across 100 plus platforms. Okay, these are the informations: where is brand located, the links, the logos, the colors, the fonts, the image. Some brands has a what do you call? It's like a cover photo on LinkedIn, like a company page, or like a imagery style for your brand. And yeah, it's very cool. Go on, put your brand assets. Then after that, let's check one thing. Does it show up my brand if I go to search a brand from brand page? Let's see. So I'm here. I'm gonna put it just added there. I'm not sure if it shows there. You see that? Casual Dot, and it shows verified one. That's very cool. Anyone can go and search your brand like that. I just uploaded my brand there without not much information, just a logo, and it says claim brand because I own the domain casualdot.com. And yeah, I'm not sure what it went to verified straight, because I think it's from the what do you call the domain name. And if I click on my link, wow, it's cool. So people also can come to your website from this thing, and they can see colors, and they might like your brand and they say, wow, this is great, PNG, they can download it. So when they click on this, then they can come on your website. This is my crazy website. Yeah, I hope you like it, and let me know in the comment section if you want to see videos like this as a designer, as a creator, or something like that for video editing and this stuff. I do a lot of video editing also. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I'll come back with another interesting video I have, which can be really useful for teachers, for educators, for content creators. Stay up to date with my channel, subscribe, even if you like or comment, and I'll see you in the next one.